Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you if you can stabilize your video in InShot or not. If you're new to InShot and you don't know how to stabilize video, I'm going to show you an easy hack. We cannot directly stabilize the video in InShot. Instead, what we can do is simply open your Google Photos. And now you'll have to choose a video that you want to have stabilization in. So as you can see, this video is quite shaky. What we can do is click on Edit. And you can see the Stabilize option. Simply click on it. Now, if we play our video, it has been stabilized, and now we can save a video of this copy and use in our InShot video. And just like that, we can stabilize video and use it in InShot. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.